Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today, I have a LANCEL semi-automatic petrol lighter. So it's made in France. Has some sort of looks like a reptile skin wrap, but I'm not sure if this is leather, genuine reptile, or some other synthetic material. It looks real. Looks better than some of the cheaper wraps I've seen on, say, the park lighters and things like that. So I don't know. So the semi-automatic mechanism, that when it is back down in place, then you can lock the lever up. So it's not going to be the button up, I should say, so that it's not going to engage in your pocket. I couldn't find a whole lot of information about the LANCEL company. So it was a French company that originated in 1876, making smokers' accessories according to their website. And then in the late 1920s, I think 1929 is when they introduced what they call the automatic lighter. Actually, what today we call semi-automatic mechanism. So the fill screw doesn't have any slots in it, and has the knurled edges. There was no, looks like there was intended to be a compartment there for the extra flint, but it was missing from this particular lighter. Gasket still intact. And then your flint spring screw is very hardy, very sturdy. Much more to it than there are a lot of them that you'll see. So as I said earlier, I'm not sure about the wrap. I tried to look back through some ads, and I can't read French, so I couldn't read what they actually said. I can see that there's some similar wraps in in the ads for these lighters, but I can't read whether it says, genuine reptile skin, or what it was. But it is a very nice lighter, and a very interesting mechanism. in the way in that things are in a little bit different order what you're used to, and that the layout is in a little bit different order than you're used to. With the flint wheel being back here where basically it's pivoting to open. So anyway, a little bit different. Having it's got a new flint in it, so it's not exactly grooved out yet. It's a very sturdy feeling lighter. Feels very well constructed, and seems to be a pretty well sparking mechanism. So please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. You can send a link and a text, email, however it is that you communicate with people. You can share it on social media. Like I said, however you go about doing those kind of things. Tell your friends about the channel. Also on social media, we Dependable Flame, dependableflame.com. Appreciate it if you would like us there. We're on Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, eBay, of course.